I will show you how to use your Moby wrap in a front carry, which you can pre-tie, and we start with the middle marker that goes on your chest, bringing one tail up over my shoulder and the other tail goes up over the opposite shoulder. Gathering up the fabric, which goes under the horizontal piece, and I pull tight, cross at the bottom, and bring the fabric around to tie a double knot. Before the baby can be put in the wrap, I bring the horizontal piece down and check if I have enough space for the baby. I will bring the fabric around to go between the legs, then switch sides. And bring the fabric around to go between the legs too. Now I position the baby on my body wherever I want her to be. Then I check which one is the top layer. So I just feel here at the cross, this one is on top, so I will start with spreading the one that's on the bottom, which is this side. I pull the fabric down and just follow this edge to spread the fabric over the baby's bum, pulling it up and really trying to get the baby in the middle of the fabric. And really getting both shoulders in the wrap. And then I can spread the second piece, doing the same. So first pulling it over my shoulder and flipping it here to spread from the bottom up. Pulling up the fabric to have the same amount of excess fabric here as I have here at the neck, because this means the baby really is in the middle of the fabric. The shoulder flips help to keep the airways free and to keep the upper piece of their back well supported. Now these two layers are up and I have to find my horizontal layer. It's easiest to feel just from the shoulder. I'm bringing it over the leg. The same goes for the other side. Bringing it up. And then I use both hands to pull the horizontal piece up. Now I can go in and make sure the knees are higher than the bum. Feet are uncovered. If I want to cover the feet because it's cold, I can use the bottom of the fabric and just loosely put it over the feet. You don't want to bring any extra tension on it, so really just pulling it away and then covering the feet. In the end, you can still spread the pieces on your back a little bit more for comfort. You can correct the fabric on your shoulders and make sure that you're moving as one unit, so when you're moving and bending, the baby should stay close to you. To get the baby out, what you really want to do is just peel down the layers, making sure to keep a hand on your baby